Hey, hello, welcome to Code Crafters Hub. In this video, we'll be creating a stack list card which adjusts dynamically based on the screen size. You can see the count of the cards are adjusted dynamically as the device changes. To start, we'll create the card widget. In the build function, we'll create a container with height and width of 120. In the container, we create a card with circular border radius. Here we can replace the text widgets with the stacked card widgets we just created. Now let's create a function to get colors dynamically. We can now set the color property of the card widgets using the getColor function we just created. We create a function to generate the stacked cards. This function will accept the screen width and total card count as the input parameters. In this function, we'll return a widget where we will generate the cards using the list generate function from that. We'll replace this with the generate cards function and pass the required input. Now we create the function which computes the total cards that can be displayed on the screen. We calculate initial card count, total width of card in a row, and the remaining space. If the remaining space is negative, we remove one card. Otherwise, if we have more space that can fit more cards, then we add more cards. In the generate cards function, we can now use the calculate max visible cards function and stack the cards over each other. You can see the stacked effect and the dynamic calculation of the cards displayed on the screen. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like and subscribe button. Thank you and see you next time.